Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this beautiful stitch, which is half double crochet in the third loop. What this stitch does is it'll push typically the little V's that we make from crocheting each stitch. It'll push the little V's forward like so into this beautiful knit-like pattern. So let's get started. Now, as you would normally crochet, you would put the hook in between. You see the V over here? Right underneath, like so. That's how we normally make a regular single crochet, half double crochet, etc. But instead of going underneath this spot, the only difference you're going to do is go into the third loop, which is in the back. So as I pull this back, here's the V, you'll notice that there's this loop hiding back here. Let me gather that up, right here. That's the third loop. When you crochet into that third loop, it'll push the V forward. So let's give this a go. This pattern calls for half double crochet all around, super straightforward, but just work in the third loop. So I'm going to make my half double crochet, yarn over, find that third loop, so not under the V, but in the back, there's that third loop. Yarn over, pull over, and then finish off my half double crochet, like so. Again, yarn over, find that third loop in the back. See how I push the V up front? Then, there we go. Then yarn over, pull through, and pull all through all three loops for your half double crochet. All right, grabbing some more yarn here. Okay, so let's do this a few more times. Yarn over, insert hook into that third loop, yarn over, half double crochet, yarn over, insert into the third loop, yarn over, half double crochet. And the more you do this, you're going to find that it's really therapeutic to work on repetitive patterns like these. Oops, that one went loose. And you'll get the hang of this third loop after just a couple rounds of practice. All right, so let me slow down once more. As you can see, I made a few stitches just now, and all of these little V's just got pushed forward. So that creates the beautiful knit-like stitch pattern. And that's the magic of half double crochets in the third loop. So just slowly again, instead of going under the V, insert your hook into that third loop back here. Okay, like so. So instead of under the V, pull that forward and you'll find that loop in the back, the third loop. Make your half double crochet. All right, there you have it. And as you work, you'll find that your crochet will be pretty nice and stretchy. And if you look on the back, it actually creates this really beautiful bumpy-like texture too. So either side is really lovely to look at, and especially I highly recommend using the vel-luxe yarn for this pattern, this specific scarf pattern, because it's super squishy and super duper soft. I know you can't see that from the video. It's something you'll have to feel for yourself, but once you get it, I don't think you'll be disappointed. So that's that. That's my recommendation. Again, if you'd like to check out this free pattern, it's very quick, easy, and beginner friendly, and it's on my website. So check the description box below. Excuse me. So thank you so much for watching and I hope you have a great one. Happy crocheting!